Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best car vacuums on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Hotor Corded Car Vacuum Cleaner. There are occasions when all one wants is a solid tool with which to carry out a specific task. Real-world customer reviews should not be ignored when buying a special use item, making this vacuum from the curiously named Hotor company one of our top picks. Nearly 10,000 people have given this thing an aggregate rating of nearly 4.5 stars. This 12-volt vac does have a cord, it must be noted, but at least that means it won't run out of juice midway through a detailing job. The filter is washable and, in the event you need a new one, the seller advertises a free replacement for life. The dirt and crud are contained in a traditional style nose cup that's easy to dump. Features: fast and easy work in a corded handheld car vacuum with lasting and high power, no worry about the issue of continuation, you can use it whenever and wherever you want for your car, a great helper for vacation. Mini vacuum with a super bright LED light, great for car interiors, and ensures your work both in brightness and darkness. The filter of this vacuum for cars is covered with a filter wrap. It is designed to keep stable suction, extend the use life of the filter and avoid the clog of the filter sooner. The detachable dust cup head is good for quick and easy trash dumping, and you are ready right away to continue the rest of your work. This portable vacuum for cars is equipped with 3 different nozzles to meet all your needs. Besides, your order also comes with a carry bag to conveniently store and take along everything you need. Pros: reasonable price, acres of positive reviews. Cons: that cord. Number 2. Our second best pick is Shark Wandvac Handheld Vacuum. Products from the Shark brand aren't cheap, but they are stylish and seem to be assembled with a modicum of care. This highly rated bullet is one of the lightest car vacs on Amazon, weighing in at a feather like 1.4 pounds. Your author has eaten steaks bigger than that. Its tapered nozzle, the vac, not the steak, allows one to get into their car's nooks and crannies. A charging dock is included for quick charging and fast access, in case you need to speedily spruce up your car before that hot Tinder date. Bonus feature: a one-touch emptying system means you needn't soil your hands emptying the crap sucked up out of your filthy car. Features: high-speed, brushless motor delivers unbelievable suction power. At just 1.4 pounds, the hand vacuum is designed for maneuverability and easy cleaning. Hand vacuum maintenance is simple with a detachable dust cup and easily removable filter housing. Filtration technology captures dust and large debris. Sleek charging dock designed for quick access and fast charging. Empty debris with the single touch of a button, no getting your hands dirty. LED light on the control panel indicates charging status and remaining battery life. Pros: well-known brand, powerful motor, super light. Cons: expensive. Number 3. Our third best pick is Black+Decker Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum. Black+Decker virtually invented the handheld vacuum, or at least popularized it to the point where the model name became synonymous with the item itself. Heck, the word even migrated to the car sphere when GM got into the minivan game and everyone started calling them the Dustbuster vans. The grille on its left side looks like the heat sink from a retro future weapon, if that type of stuff matters to you. A one-touch easy empty allows users to vacate the dirt into a bin without touching it, while the rechargeable battery is said to last much longer than previous models. Features: high-performance handheld cordless vacuum 20-volt max, lithium-ion battery-powered handheld vacuum cleaner for the house and car. This longest built-in crevice tool extends to clear out hard-to-reach spaces. 2-speed cleaning, clear quick-dry spills and bigger messes with 2 speeds, including power boost mode at the touch of a button. High capacity, extra large 75 ml dustbin for extended cleans. More power, up to 35 AW of suction power in your hands. Pros: Extra long tools, great name, improved battery life. Cons. Very spendy. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ThisWorx car vacuum cleaner. Also occupying the "I want to buy dad a gift but I don't want to spend a fortune" end of the rink is this off-brand vacuum costing less than $30. Reviews are generally positive, though a few rail against its power, or lack thereof, and corded power supply. The seller makes a big deal about the vac's shape, one which apparently glides over flat surfaces thanks to its own flat underbelly. This thing also purports to suck up materials ranging from dirt and sand to mud, indicating that while it may not be able to ingest a bucket full of water, it can likely handle the scattered bit of wet stuff. Features. We achieved a new high standard in automotive cleaning with our improved car detailing vacuum. Upgrades include 110-watt cleaning power and 9.17 amps, a sleek design with integrated LED light and a washable double filter. Interior car cleaning kit includes 3 attachments: flathead, extendable, or brush nozzle, for detailing, carry bag, and a filter cleaning brush. A mini vacuum for car or truck that is compact, lightweight, 2.6 pounds, and easy to use. Designed for on-the-go use and to solve out-of-reach problems. A very sandy day at the beach? A coat of dog hair? The portable vacuum cleaner for cars is made to help. The LED light is a lifesaver at night or in the shadows under seats. The cyclonic force and strong suction of the 110W motor will terminate any dirt or debris. Say goodbye to hard-to-reach crumbs stuck under the driver's seat or in crevices. Pros. Affordable, good for wet and dry. Cons. Corded power supply, unheard of name. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is QYHY car vacuum. Strong suction and lightweight. QYHY portable vacuum cleaner for car adopts 100 watt by 12 volt high power motor with a strong suction power of up to 8000 PA. The noise is controlled below 70 dB. It can be used both wet and dry, which easily remove dust, sand, paper debris, hair, food scraps, or spilled liquids. Fully equipped multifunctional accessories. This portable car vacuum cleaner is equipped with a brush nozzle, an extended hose, a slot pipette, a spare washable HEPA filter, which can meet the needs of high-efficiency suction and deep cleaning in different areas, even corners, and gaps. A carrying bag is included to store these vacuum attachments easily. Unique LED light design. The built-in bright LED light can provide a good view when you are cleaning corners, the bottom of car seats and other hard-to-see places. At night, the LED light helps you clean quickly in the dark, bringing a lot of convenience to the cleaning work. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.